up YouTube. Look what I got. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see it? I don't think y'all can see it for real. Yeah, I got some salmon and some spinach tortellini. I got this from Trader Joe's. And some Texas toast, y'all. Once again, first meal of the day, and it's probably like 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. But y'all, this is my first time trying these tortellini things, and it's so good. But y'all, before I start this video, I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. As y'all do know, I am doing a $300 giveaway when I reach 150 subscribers. So to enter, you have to like, comment, and subscribe on every video until I reach that mark. But y'all, I'm about to dig in because I'm starving. I'm so sick of that freaking buzzer, that alarm. It's so irritating. Yeah. I literally, I'm not gonna lie. I'm about to be 100% honest. I don't really care for the these things right here. I don't know. It's not really giving what it's supposed to give. But this salmon, so good, cooked to perfection. I literally cooked the best salmon. So it has spinach and ricotta cheese in here, but it doesn't taste like that. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm grabbing. I'm starving. Bread is so good. Glasses keep flying. I'm swallowing hard. I think this is for me. Salmon just falling apart, baby. Y'all need to make this meal, but with some different noodles. Get some regular noodles. But y'all, I went to Trader Joe's today for the first time. Obsessed. Obsessed. But I didn't know everything. Mostly everything in Trader Joe's is like organic. Like everything they sell is organic. I'm going through the aisle All you see is organic, 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 organic. I'm like, nobody never mentioned this on TikTok. I'm not saying nothing bad about organic stuff. It's just, it's organic, you know? That's not something I'm used to. I'm not used to eating everything organic, you know? I might eat a few things organic, but not everything. But come to find out, even though everything is organic, most of the stuff is organic in Trader Joe's, it's not bad. Like it's actually good. Like everything that I tasted so far that I got from Trader Joe's today was good. This salmon is fire. Do they make organic salmon? I don't think it was salmon. I mean organic. It said wild caught. I mean not wild caught. It said Atlantic. But I can't wait to taste my almond butter. So tender, I can't even pick it up with the fork. But y'all, no lie, when you don't eat all day, I got a burp, and you finally eat, you get full so quick. Excuse me. I love a Gatorade down. Yeah, that's really all I drink is Gatorade and water. I don't drink shit else. What y'all eat today? Like this video right now. Stop playing. I play too much. That's what I be talking about. Oh, doing all that. Like the video. What are you doing? Subscribe. Wow. I play entirely too much. I could be an actress, bro. Excuse me. I can literally be an actress. Yeah. I feel weird just sitting here talking and eating. I feel like I'm talking to myself, but I'm really not because I'm talking to y'all. I know what this video is for. So I convinced myself that I'm not talking to myself. I don't know. I don't want to do other people that eat in front of a camera and feel like they talking to themselves. Or is it just my crazy butt? This was good. You know, I ate majority of my food. Barely nothing left. This was really, really good. Even though I said I didn't really care for the chicken, the spinach tortellini, it was still good. Excuse me. Now I'm done. I'm honestly and truthfully, I'm about to edit this video right now. Call it a day. I love y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see me eat in the comments for real. But definitely subscribe. Like this video. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all.
Say my name, say my name.